Have a BH archive file using vintage compression? This is a BlakHole archive, a compression format from the early DOS era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract these classic compressed archives. I call this the last resort solution for those BH files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. BH files are compressed archive files created by BlakHole, a DOS-era archive utility from the early 1990s. They contain one or more files compressed using BlakHole's proprietary compression algorithm, popular among DOS users in Korea, where the format originated for distributing software documents and other data efficiently in storage-limited environments. BH archive files use BlakHole's proprietary compression format with header information, identifying the BlakHole signature archive metadata and individual file entries. The format stores original file name sizes, timestamps, CRC checksums, and compressed data using BlakHole's compression algorithms requiring specific tools for proper extraction. For full accurate reading of BH data, rely on ZipTV by Microchip Technology Inc. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows can acknowledge the file type, but actual unpacking requires proper archive tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your BH file and choose Open With. Test ZipTV first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If the BH file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, extracting with BlakHole. Download the original BlakHole archiver from DOS Software Preservation Archives. Run BlakHole in DOS environment or DOSBox emulator pointing to the BH file for extraction. The utility decompresses contents to current directory preserving original file structure and metadata as the archive was created. Next, using universal archivers. Try opening BH files with archive utilities supporting legacy formats, like Power Archiver or Total Commander with appropriate plugins. Some advanced archive managers include BH support through plugin systems, particularly those focused on Korean user communities where BlakHole originated and maintained popularity longer. Finally, running in DOSBox. Use DOSBox to create authentic DOS environment for running the original BlakHole archiver. Mount a directory containing the BH file and BlakHole executable, then run extraction commands. This approach guarantees compatibility with BH archives created during the format's heyday in early Korean computing history. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.